I'm so scared. Very scared.
You okay? Just relax.
I just got back home, guys. This dental filling is very uncomfortable. I feel like I have something foreign in my mouth. It's so uncomfortable. I don't know if I'm gonna eat today. I don't know what's gonna happen, but it's super uncomfortable. But when I was coming back from town, something really nice happened. I saw this guy who was selling scarves in town on the road. I was so happy because he's selling some nice scarves. I bought myself three of them. He was selling them at 200, and because I was buying 3 in bulk, I bought each at 150. Let me show you the scarves because they are super cute. It's unbelievable, guys. Let me show you right now. Super cute. I had to look for good lighting while showing you these scarves because they're so good, guys. This is the first scarf that I bought. Look at this. At 150 bob. It was selling at 200, and then I bargained because I was buying 3 of them, and it sold at me at 150 Kenyan shillings. Aliniambia normally it sells at 300, but that was a little 200. Of course, he was lying, but as I use a 300, but look at this, super long, thick, and it looks like a warm scarf. I can't wait to style these ones with this cold weather. Oh my god, I'm struggling to speak because of this dental feeling. So uncomfortable, but these scarves, they're the best thing. The scarf that I saw him holding, and I went to him, like, look at these things, look at these things, look at this fur. I don't know if you can see. Look at that fur bit, guys. It looks super warm. It's so classy. The color itself, it's so good. He was holding it like this, and when I saw it, I went straight to him. Like, I wanted to buy only this one, but I went there and saw some other good ones. Look at this. I love it. I love it so much. Oh my god, I can't wait to wash this and rock them with my trench coats, my sweaters, because I know it's gonna be so nice with this rainy, cold weather. Looks exactly like the first one, but because of this color and everything, I could not leave this scarf. Look at this, guys. Look at this Louis Vuitton scarf. Huge and nice, and it's 150 Kenyan shillings, guys. 150 bob. 150 bob. I have this stylish scarf. Imagine this with my trench coat, especially the brown one. This is gonna be so cute. I'm just gonna throw it like that, and I look stylish. I look money, and I bought it at 250, guys. Going to that guy is the best decision that I made today. You know, my tooth was hurting and it was a bit uncomfortable, and I saw it and was like, you know, clothes love me. I went to him. He was holding this one, and I saw the rest, and I took all of them. I took these 3. I wish I had more money because I would have taken more. Like akona magushi, akona nice statement scarves. I happened to send him money by M-Pesa, and when I was doing this video, I thought maybe I can ask him if he's comfortable. I can share his number over here, and you guys can holler at him when you're in town. Then he can give you these cute scarves. Today he was at Biashara Street, not exactly at Biashara Street, at Kwapokanukiasi, so you can just holler at him and you can sort of with these cute, nice scarves. This is the best thing that happened to me today. Today is an easy day for me, guys. I'm just having few errands to run, and also I'm having Peter from Maiden Lights is coming to fix new lighting for me. I'm so excited for that, guys. I saved for that lighting for a long time, like 2 months. Took me 2 months to have this light up, and I'm so excited. They're finally coming in my house, our apartment. I've been using the old chandelier that I was using on the other apartment. People love that chandelier, guys, so I felt like it's not, you know, not giving me what I want in this new apartment and my decor and everything. Like the vibe I'm going for, it is not the same like before anymore. It's changing, and I thought of changing lights. I thought of changing lights here, and I started saving like since October. Yeah, since mid-October, like it hit me like I need to change it, and I started saving little by little. I started putting money aside for this lighting. Like I'm having one on my way to the bathroom and another one here in the living room. I will show you later once they're fixed. Like I'm so excited for the bedroom. I think I'll have to wait next year since money is not ready. So I'm waiting for him, and I can't wait to have these lights up because I'm sure they're gonna bring beauty here. They're gonna bring everything classy in this apartment. Guys, I'm really trying to create luxury for myself. Like, you know, I'm trying to create an apartment that is luxurious but at a low cost. Does that make sense? That is what I'm trying to do. So I'm gonna show you the lights after I fix them, and later I'm going to pick my sister from town. She's coming from Meru. She's also coming here to do some tooth fitting. I'm gonna take her there, help her with what she has to do. And tomorrow I have a surprise for her. I'm taking her for some manicure, pedicure. I booked her yesterday. I've been planning to do this the whole week. I've been thinking I should do it for her. I forgot to ask her if her hair is done. I hope not, guys. So that's all for my day. Let's get through it. Breakfast for one. I'm having Weetabix with this banana. It's so funny that I can't take Weetabix with milk. I have to put some fruits for me to be okay with it. Chai over here. Guys, I'm addicted to tea. Like I cannot wake up and just run my day without taking tea. It will be almost impossible. So chai and water. That's my breakfast for today. Choosing between warm and white. I'm confused. Mimi naona warm ikikaa vizuri. Na wewe? Wewe unaona gani? Hata usiku. This is the warm and this is the white. So confusing. Okay, we go with warm. Okay, I settled with the white because I have a warm one on the wall. That one. This is the other lighting that Peter installed for me, guys. Look at that. So beautiful. It's so pretty. I like it, and also it's so bright, you know. I'm loving it. This is the door to the bedroom, and this one is the door to the bathroom. It's just in the middle. Like, look at this. Even from here, looks so pretty, beautiful. Love it, 100%. Oh my god, I'm loving it here. Impulse buying, the boys road. Oh my god, this is all impulse buying. I was just walking through the boys road, and guys, this is what happened. How did I end up with 1 2 3 4 oh my god, 7 pairs of earrings? Girl, I can't regret, guys. Let me show you quickly what I got. This is the first pair. Looks like this. I love it. I don't regret this at all. Oh my god, look at this, look at this. This looks so good for brunch, dinner, classy one. I like this one, I like it so much. And this, I think the pearl made me pick it, but it's a cute pair. It's a cute pair, guys. And this one, simple and functional. Another one, some loops. Looks like I'm loving this type of earrings lately. So nice. And also got some small pearls. I like these ones when I want that simple look. I can't regret these, but these are finance mistakes, like these ones. In 2022, I want to plan things. I don't want to do impulse buying. Okay, I know it's almost impossible to avoid, but gonna minimize. Like, this is not good. This is not good, guys. I was just walking, and just like that, I end up with 7 pairs of earrings. Who does that? 2022, we're not doing this type of mistakes. Nope, 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 nope. Last video for 2021. Thank you for riding with me up to this point, guys. I love you so much with all my heart. I wish everyone fabulous here 2022, guys. My wish for you is that you accomplish all your goals in 2022. I hope that you'll be happy. You are all amazing. So that's it, guys. See you next year. Bye. Happy New Year.